Today we are showing you two versions of Fancy Toast.
I'm on the sweet one.
And I'm doing savory.
She must think I'm really sweet. What is she doing?
Barfing.
Today I'm making the sweet toast. I put some whipped cream cheese into a small bowl. I'm now dyeing it with food coloring gel. On my fancy toast, I'm gonna use more than one color. So I've dyed some pink and yellow. I've just toasted a piece of bread and it's time to assemble my fancy toast. Think of your bread as a blank canvas. I'm starting with blue because it's gonna be my night sky. After my blue, I'm going with pink. Last, we're gonna make the sun. Every fancy toast needs a few stars in the sky. Add a little sprinkles. And on my fancy toast is a beautiful garden below. So I'm gonna just add some fresh berries. Sweet toast complete.
Now on to the savory toast. I've gone ahead and mashed up an avocado. Now I'm going to drizzle it with olive oil and add a little pinch of salt and stir that together. Now I'm going to take my golden brown piece of bread and cover it with avocado. Today, I think I'm gonna make an underwater scene. I've gone ahead and blanched some green beans. It's gonna act as my seaweed. You have to have fish if you're under the sea. I'm going to take some goldfish crackers and put them in the middle. There you go, little buddy. Now, I'm gonna add peas to act as the bubbles.
Thanks for joining us on Let Us Bake.
Snack attack.